Alright guys, we're getting on the interstate. We had fun today. We've been kind of out and about today. We're getting on the freeway now. My camera got a little messy, of course. There goes a Ryler Box Truck International. Next gen. There's a school bus. What in the... Oh, Freightliner. Hello. Hi, buddy.
If you loved to kayak along the Maumee River,
all right, y'all.
Riverwalk, well, good news for you. They are reopening the Kayak Cove for Memorial Day.
Now I might be headed to the rest areas. I hope, because believe it or not, I just need one more video for now. I need one more video at the truck stops here to make it official. Because my goal for 2026 was at least go to these truck stops 3 times for the year. At least. Because, like, the last time my goal was to... There's someone walking there. That whole side's all trailers. Bruh. Not busy at the truck stops today. It's another bus. Shocker. Hello, Mac. Lord, wonder what they're building over here. Yeah. More trucks. Loves tanker. So yeah, like I said, the goal for me is visiting those rest areas 3 times for 2026. So that is my goal. And we're about halfway through 2026. And then I set that goal for 2027 and beyond. I wonder what they're going to try to accomplish here by building. Because even I don't know what they're going to try and build. Maybe they'll build something useful, if that's even a thing. Some Freightliners. But yeah, so I have a goal set for that. Hopefully it gets completed. We do have a truck in front there. Alrighty. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.